This one second problem of ABC casting. So this one here A 1000 units, B 2000. Direct labor hours per unit, that is 2 and 3. Machine hours per unit 6 and 1.5. Setup machines 15 and 50. Orders 18 and 70. Machines activity expenses, that is 3 lakh. Setup related expenses, that is 30,000. Expenses relating to orders 35,000. See, here we have 3 activities, total 3: machine activity, setup related activity, and expense related. So we should get 3 activity based costing. Here 3 expenses there, 3 activities is there. Calculate the overheads per unit absorbed using activity base. Only activity, not traditional, not traditional. So we have cost pool, that is for machine hour rate. So machine hour rate, total cost pool is there, that is machine activity expenses. Machine hours, that means total of A and B. A 1000 units multiplied by 6, machine hour rate per is there 6, plus B 2000 1.5. So total we have total 6000 machine hours for A, for B 3000. Total machine hours, that is 9000. Total cost pool, that is 3 lakh. So cost pool means total activity expenses. That should be divided by 9000. We are getting 33.333. See that. So this is machine hour rate. So this is first activity. Second activity is what? Rate per machine setups. We have total setup cost pool, that is 30,000. Number of setups, A 15 setups is there, B 50 setups. So total 65 setups. If we divide, we are getting 461.538. So this is second activity. This one is third activity. Total rate per order. So total cost pool, that is order related expenses 35,000. Number of orders divided by number of orders. So to get activity based rate, we should divide by number of orders, that is total A 18, B 17. It is given 35,018 plus 70, that is 88 orders, total area 88 orders. So that is per one order we have 397.73. Now, so cost per unit, we are calculating cost per unit. See, cost per unit under ABC. So here A 1000 units, B 2000 units. So all should divide by 1000 to get CPU. First one, machine related cost. So total cost is how much? For A 66,000 hours into 33.33 per unit. So sorry, total 3 lakh is there. We are getting what? 33.333. Here this is A 6,000. Here B 3,000. 6,000 into per one unit. This one is 33.33. We are getting approximately this results. That should divide by 1000 units to get per unit. Same in the case of B. We have B 3000 into 33.33. So we are getting approximately the result, that is 1 lakh. That 1 lakh divided by again 2000, we are getting 50 per unit. So this is machine related cost per unit. A 200, B 50. Next, setup related cost. Per cost is what? 461.538 is there. So we should multiply by 15 setups. So that is 15 test setups. 15 into 461.538, we are getting 6.923. This is total 15 cost for 15 setups. So if you divide by 1,000, we are getting per unit 6.923. So this is A. Same for B. B total 15 setups is there. 50 setups into per unit what? 461.538. If you multiply, we are getting this amount. So this amount again we are going to divide by 2000 to get per unit. So see 11.538, this is per unit. So next one, that is the last order, that is the last activity. So that one is what? Other relate here. This is the wrong, not other. Order related. This one is order. So here other is there. There is wrong. Order related cost. So total orders for A is what? 18. A is what? 18. Per unit 397.73. If you multiply, we are getting this amount 7,159. If you divide by this from 1000, we are getting per unit. So 7,159 divided by 1000, we are getting 7.159. Same in the case of B. B what? 70 orders. 70 order is there. Per order we are getting 397.73. If you multiply these two, we are getting this amount 27,841.1 something. So if we divide by 2000, we are getting 75.458. So this is B. So this is A, this is B. A total cost per unit 214.082. So B per unit 75,458. C here 1000 units. This is per unit. This is 2000 units. This is per unit. So this is activity based costing.